All right, guys, what's going on? We're going to sit here and analyze the dollar real quick, which is what I did last time. So right now with the dollar, you can see that we're holding the support. So what I'm looking for is the dollar to spike up to 101,632 or 101,785, possibly 101,917, to be honest with you. We'll see what happens. But if we reject this on the 1 hour, then I am going to look to take it down. I actually want to see some type of a breakout. But what I want and what's going to happen are two different things. So I'm going to see how price reacts to 101,785 and 101,632. With GC, this was pretty obvious right now. This was a 4 hour shooting star letting us know we're about to go down. So what I'm looking to do is see if it's going to come back down and retest this area for a continuation up to finally break out of that high, or if it's just going to just come down. So that's what I'm waiting for right now, and we'll see what happens. NQ is doing everything like I gave my subscribers. This was where I wanted to see the retest. The retest came perfectly. I gave this trade idea like, I don't know, 10, 11 o'clock at night. So it gave a retest by 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just waiting. I am just waiting. So I'll be keeping an eye out on the dollar. I want it to do that. If not, it's going to come right back down to 101, 188, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, here we go. Let me put my remember this was already given out, so you guys are good. My entry on NQ was golden. It's gold that I'm not feeling. So let me open up another screen. Hold on. Oops, that is not what I'm trying to look for. I don't even know how that happened. Let me see. Yeah, let's see what you're doing. I really want the dollar to come down, guys. I want the dollar to come down. I am trying to find my little stand here, you guys. There we go. My desk is a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. Let me bring it down. I'm so embarrassed to show my desk right now. I'm doing accounting. Da, 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 da. All right. So we have my subscribers. I don't know why y'all don't get notified when I go live. It sucks. So remember, I gave you the setup last night and it's playing out beautifully. Playing out beautifully here. My issue is the correlation between the dollar and NQ should be opposite. So let me show you what I'm talking about right here. The dollar, even though I wanted it to go to this, if it's high, if we get, depending on the news, we may get a wick to that 101,632, but it's got to break and retest 101, 188, you guys. 101, 188 to go down. Like, I'm not messing with anything else if I don't get that. If you're already in NQ, you're golden. Like, you're good for my trade yesterday. You're good. You're good. Let me open up GC too and see what's up. NQ cannot be gained. Beautiful. All right, let's see. Let me put on GC real quick. And look at that beautiful drop. Look at that drop on gold. Here we go. I'm looking for gold to come down to 25.37. Let me see. Let me look at it on a higher time frame. Let me see. 15 minute. Let me put the 15-minute up so you guys can see it. And I'm going to put some areas of interest also for NQ just to be on the safe side. I think I was on the 1 hour. Where is it? All right. 18,937. If we can break up above this previous high, this is where we're taking it to. You guys are already in profit. I gave you this right here. You guys are in profit. Gold right now, it's, I mean, that shooting star on the 4 hour was a no-brainer. I just don't want you guys trading that candle. I mean, trading it during the news. We got 1 minute. I don't know why this doesn't. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm sorry. Technical difficulties. There we go. I don't think NQ is gonna give us. Let's see. I'm watching the dollar. The dollar set up to push up. I really wanted to go to 101,632. I don't want it to come down. Here we go. Bam. Oh my God, you are not gonna miss it by that much. You gotta be kidding me. Dollar pushed up. Look, you guys. Dollar pushed up right to my level right here. 101,632. To the fucking T. Look at that. 101,632, you guys. My buy limit for gold was missed by a fucking hair. Can you believe this? Ah. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to 101,785. Come on. 101,785. 101,785. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let me look at Nas. Nas did not break our buy. Did not break our buy. Let's see how it reacts to my check price action line. That's 18,725. Yo, this is that hurt. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe my, well, let's see. It may be too early to talk. It may be too early to talk. You guys, literally my buy limit by a hair, by a hair. Dollar's going exactly where I said it would. Right here. NQ right now, we did not get the confirmation for that buy. We're doing a retest of structure. So what you want to do is see how it's reacting 18,725. If that's the case and we get rejection on the 1 hour, we'll then get that push up. Otherwise, we're going to wait for a break and retest of 18,683 and take it down to previous structure. Oh man, they're really going to hate me. Wow. I'm going to delete my buy limit. Fuck. Let me see. I'm so, the dollar's pushing up. Come on, 101,785. Can you make it happen? Can you make it happen? Can you make it happen? Sorry, I have a lot going on. Look at that. Everything is by a hair right now. By a hair. By a hair. By a hair. Oh, I'm telling you, the haters are just, they're, I mean, but what can you do? All you can do is respect the game, right? Come on. Oh, that's my stomach, y'all. Excuse me. I'm hungry. All right, dollar. Push up to 101,785 if you can. I don't know if it's going to go there. I'm thinking maybe 101,723. Let me show you what I'm looking at right here. Let me put them side by side. Hold on. Give me a second so you guys can see. I know I could do two charts side by side. I don't want to do that. And I'm looking at these at the 1 hour, okay? Because I'm trying to see a setup for today. So this is the dollar right now at the levels that I said. Waiting to see what happens here. The dollar, what we're looking for, if it's going to be bullish, it has to break 101.917. It has to, like, it has to happen. Otherwise, we're still like the dollar's bearish. And then NQ right now, it's rejecting that price action level that I was telling you guys about. So if we continue to get respect here, we'll get that breakout to the upside to take it up. Otherwise, it's going to break and retest that sell level that I gave you guys. Yeah. Give me a second, y'all. I got to scream for my kid. I gotta go. We're gonna wait. You're going to wait. You are not going to rush into this trade. You are not going to rush into it. You hear me, you guys? I told you what to look for. I told you what to look for. You're my subscribers, so you have these levels. And I am recording for my VIP team as well. So they're gonna have this as a reference. Dang it, I gotta go. Oh, you guys, look at that. Oh, that hurt. Yeah, let me see what we're looking like on the 15. 9 minutes left on that candle. Let me go on the 15 for NQ. Yeah, just wait. Just wait. I think my stop loss was too big for that. Hold on. Man. I hate that I have to go. I hate that I have to go. I don't want people to see. Here. Oh. Of course, right when I'm about to exit. Are you kidding me? When I'm about to leave? Don't do that. Oh, here we go. Oh, nope, that didn't work. Wait for the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close. My buy limit triggered, you guys, and it did get stopped out, just so you know. But I was about to leave, so it is what it is. It's rejecting it though. It's currently rejecting our level, so just be patient. I'm gonna trade this when I get back. So when I get back home, I'm gonna trade it on stock options and probably NQ. So I'll be looking at NQ and then I'll be trading SPX today. Man, that drop downward goal was so freaking predictable. Like, look at this. Look at this. Let me. It's crazy how you just pay attention. Look at this shooting star right here at the 1 hour level that I gave you guys. Key indication that we were about to go down right before CPI. It's clear as day. So all you have to do is observe that price action right there. And I'm not telling you to get into that trade. Let me see. The time on that was from 2 to 6 a.m. So let's go to the 1 hour. That is all the way up into here, this candle right here. So then you got a nice rejection candle 1 hour prior to news to confirm what you saw on the 4 hour, and it shot down all the way to market structure. So what we're waiting for is this 1 hour candle to close. If the 1 hour candle closes below this area or 15-minute, then we'll look for it to take it down to 25.26. If it goes underneath this structure that I have notated that I want to take the original sell from, we'll continue to ride this down. We'll continue to, but we got to wait for that candle to close because this could end up being a big wick. So we don't want to get caught up in that. If you're trading the news candle, you hurry up, you get your money and you get out. Like that's it, because it's going to make a retest. Now let's talk about NAS real quick, or NQ, excuse me. With NQ, Right here is the level that I gave you guys where we got our original retest for the continuation up. As I stated earlier, if we get a double top, then we need to just see how price reacts to this area. And you guys have these levels, my IG subscribers. I'm on here for my VIP and my IG. Oh, gold is melting. Gold is melting right now. Melting. All right. Dang, I wish I would have gotten in on that 4-hour candle close. But if not, you're gonna wait for it to break and retest 18,670, 50. Let me look on the 4-hour real quick. Yeah, yeah. I'll look at it when I get back. If not, we wait for break and retest of the buy level that I gave you guys. And then 18,937 will be the TP. Let's look at the dollar. The dollar, I want it to go to 101,785, which is right here. This is where I'm trying to see if it's gonna go to. But it can stop right here. So 101,785 is what I'm looking for. If we get a break of 101,917, NQ and gold are going to be super, super, super bearish. All right. Just so you know. Come on. Damn, I have to go when I don't want to go. I should have definitely taken that put. I should have, not the put, excuse me, that sell on that 4-hour candle close. I was hoping to get the retest in time, but it got me. It got me. I'm okay with that. Oh my gosh. Stock options is going to be beautiful. If you're in my stock options group, it's going to be a nice day today. A really nice day. I'm looking at gold. Look at that. Do you guys see how gold gave you the indication before, like that it was going to go down? Does everybody see that? Are you understanding that? Yeah, I put the waffle already in the toaster for you, baby. All right, we got 5 minutes. I'm just chilling. Come on, 101,785. 101,785. And remember, wait at least 15 minutes after to an hour after. I need some music or something. I'm in my feelings. I'm in my feelings. I didn't look at this. Look at this. Man, I wish I would have made it on time. Yeah, my kids' new school schedule is kicking my ass so bad. All right. Let's get gold to 25.26 then. 25.2670. 25.2670 on gold. Let's get gold to 25.2670. 25.2670. All right. Buy obviously right now is not being respected. So we know that. 25.2670. Let's see if it's going to go down and make and hit that structure. Can you guys see? I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna put the dollar on another screen real quick, guys. Oh yes, dollar just hit my level. Dollar just hit my level. Bam. 101,785 hit. 101,785. Now let me show you something on a higher time frame. We are literally doing a retest on a higher time frame. Today's candle close is really important on the daily for you guys. So if the daily candle shows rejection here, this is a retest to keep going down. If the daily candle closes above 101,917, we're going to go up to 102,317 and 102,618. Okay. This is important to know because gold is going to mimic the same behavior on the opposite. It's going to be a negative correlation. So you want to write down 101,917, 101.917 for your, that's your key resistance area on your higher time frame. Oops. Sorry, y'all. NQ is respecting that level. level I gave you guys? Let's look at gold. Gold, close higher. Did anybody take the NQ trade from the check price action line that I gave you guys? Or y'all don't talk? Here we go. You guys, I'm going to move this for us. Well, let me wait. There's 24 seconds. 25, 26, 70. Wait an hour before any entry? No, no. So gold gave you the indication on the 4-hour candle. Gold gave you the indication to get in before news. And you can see there wasn't crazy slippage or anything like that. There was a 4-hour shooting star that gave you that. Now what you do is with news, you wait. I like to wait an hour after, preferably 15 minutes to an hour after. If this retest candle stays under this area right here, then you can take the continuation down to 25, 26, 70, right? Or if you trade smaller time frame, whatever you want. So 25, 26, 70. If we start to get rejection off of 25, 26, 70, then we can buy from here and take it back up. Otherwise, I have my sell right here. So if you get the rejection of 25, 26, 70, then yeah, look at it on the 5-minute right here. The dollar is attempting to go to 101.917. This is just for you guys to learn, to see what do you prefer. Do you prefer to be in before the news hits, if you see the setup on the higher time frame, or do you want to wait until everything kind of dies down a bit and it's a little bit more clear? Or is it even going to be more clear? These are things that you're going to want to document, okay? The dollar's pushing up. I'm gonna put an alert. Okay. Let me see. Yep. So what I like to do is I'm going to wait for the 1-hour candle close and see if it, I'm going to delete this trend line so it doesn't confuse people. See if we close above structure or not. If we do, then I'm going to consider taking it up. Dollar has to stay below the 101.920 area pretty much. Okay. So that's what I have to see. Yeah. I wait for the 1-hour candle close too. So I'm going to try to hurry up. Damn. I'm not going to be able to. My schedule. That hurt. I'm not even gonna lie to you. All right, if we close above, then we'll look to go ahead and take it up. Okay. If not, then you already know. I already told you what to do. Let's see NQ. Let me show you what's going on with NQ right now. NQ on the 15-minute. Yep. I'm waiting. I'm not, because this is really strong structure. So I'm waiting for break and retest of the levels that I provided you guys. So I'm waiting on that personally. All right, as always, levels are leveling. I definitely, that gold trade was, I think, a little too premature. But it was only like a really small stop loss, 20 ticks. I'll have results later. When I get into a trade, win or loss, I will share it. All right. I hope you guys learned from this. No, no, no. I'll be trading NQ too. I just won't be trading. I just can't trade until I get back, and I have to send out trade ideas to my stock options team. So, I'll be focusing on SPX today. Yay. All right, let's see. Hold on. Dollar is really trying to go to 101,920. I have an alert for it. So if my alert goes off while I'm in the car, I'll let y'all know. I don't understand why people were asking what gold was going to do when it was so obvious that it was going to go down. Like, that's really concerning that a lot of people ask that. I'm waiting to see if this 1 hour candle is going to close above this area. We have not been able to break that weekly resistance, you guys, at all for gold. So I don't want to marry my analysis, but yeah. All right, is this good? Is this good? Can I go? Do you think I should make this public? We got 10 minutes. I can leave my phone on here with some music so we can wait and see what that candle's looking like while I go help my son. I forgot to freaking close that limit order. I'm so mad. Let me stop the music. Oh, damn, IG hating. Hating. I'm so happy I recorded this. I was going live with my team and had music on, and IG shut me down. I'm so happy I recorded this on Zoom though, because I would have lost all my proof of my accuracy. But we're gonna go. All right, guys, we're staying above that buy line where I had my limit order. Again, I'm gonna wait till 9:30, or you can wait for like a 15-minute candle to close. NQ is moving beautifully, 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 beautifully. Look at this, right to our TP. I can't trade. I gotta go take my son to school. The dollar rejected 101,785 perfectly, and we're going down now. So happy trading. I won't be back till later to trade. And yeah,
A few hours later,
definitely gave us the indication prior. If you watched the video, I had music playing and Instagram shut me down. So there's a part cut off while all the music is playing because I plan on posting this on YouTube and I don't want to get dinged for copyright. But if we go back and we look at gold on that 4 hour, you can see where we had that shooting star right at that previous resistance. And if we break it down on the 1 hour, it gave you an indication 1 hour before, and there was literally like no drawdown on this trade. For me personally, the way I trade. So that was really nice. If you waited after news, if you waited, then you would have seen that it didn't happen 1 hour after with gold. It did not happen. This took a little bit longer. This took about 11 o'clock for price to close above my buy level to then take to previous structure. So this was one of the areas that I was looking at. And then this one right here, I had told my team about this level. I know I traded it personally a little bit higher. I think I traded it up to here. And so that's how gold played out. So if we go back and we were to analyze and we were to journal this, what you were going to do is notate that you had a 4 hour candle that closed prior to the news candle that gave indication next to a higher time frame level. I have it notated as a 1 hour, but it's a higher time frame level. It's definitely a daily. and then it gave you an indication 1 hour prior. It consolidated about 3 hours after and then gave a little bit clearer of a setup. So that's what you're going to notate to then see if it's going to repeat that same behavior next time. Now, NQ was absolutely beautiful. This was a trade that I gave my team, and we had the indication to get in. This was given overnight. So we had this, then it came back down. So I said, okay, I missed this. So I missed this. I was taking my kids to school, so I didn't get to get in on this or talk my team through any of this. But I knew that this could be a buy area. So I did tell them, my subscribers, that we could possibly buy from here. This was an area that we could buy from, or these levels right here as well, which was where we took the previous buy. If they did not get to take advantage of that, which I do use the 5 minute, then they could have just waited for the original buy level that I was expecting to be broken anyway beforehand. And that happened later as well. But the initial buy that I had told them about down here was about 2 hours after. Now, here's my take on this, because I was not here. I wish I would have been here, and I was not. But the news candle, that 1 hour news candle, if you would have just paid attention to this, let's delete this right here and let's just update. If you would have paid attention to this and saw that we were creating a M pattern here, or like we say, a double top, all you had to do was go down to a smaller time frame and wait for price to close below it, and you could have taken this all the way down. So you could have taken complete advantage of this move, and that was 1 hour after the news candle, right? Go down to the 5 minute, break it down. If you're in any of my trainings, you can see that we have nice little retests here that are occurring, and you could have taken this down. So this was about an hour 15 minutes. It gave you a move for NQ, which was really nice. And then the bigger move that I was expecting happened a little bit later. This was the move right here that we observed live. And this was an opportunity, but it didn't go all the way to the take profit that I wanted. So if they were trading this, they could have made money. However, their nicer move was actually about an hour and 15 minutes after the news event. And then it came down underneath that 4 hour resistance. So after news, okay, obviously this was the pretty move here. I hope that helps you guys in regards to backtesting and seeing what's going on. Again, I was not here to trade it personally, so it sucks. I didn't get in until later. I didn't get in until later by the time I got home. But the dollar did do exactly what I wanted and hit those levels that I was expecting. So I was really happy that the levels played out, but I was not happy that I was unable to watch the markets exactly 1 hour after. So this is it. This is CPI. I'm showing you what to document. The market was beautiful. I did really, really well personally, but the 1 hour after was more NQ. Gold did not correlate with that. All right, guys, keep journaling, keep back testing. You don't have to trade it live. Now we know GC gave us an indication 1 hour before. NQ gave us an opportunity 1 hour after.